Great, the price dropped and we earned $1,200. I don't see a suitable price with an 83%. So, hi everyone, my name is Bella and I'm a professional trader. Today we are going to get acquainted with a popular strategy using two indicators. First, as usual, we choose currency pairs. Let's select CD CHF and GBP CHF and USD GPI, all with 83% payout. Let's activate our indicators. Today we'll be using the Bollinger Band and Bollinger Band's width. Here in the chart we have the Bollinger Bands appearing, and at the bottom the Bollinger Band width window has been added. Here we see a decent trend. Additionally, there are very large green candles indicating a possible sharp price increase. Today we'll start with $32. Let's place this amount. We see the Bollinger Bands have significantly narrowed and the BB width is a low value. Let's go for an uptrend. By the way, subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel as well. Excellent, the price is rising and we made 58 from this trade. The Bollinger Band is narrowing and the BB width decreasing indicate low market, which means the price could sharply move in one direction. In this case, I see the price pulling upwards. So we update our trade amount. We see a support line forming at the bottom after real low started to rise. So let's go for an uptrend. Great, the price indeed went up, forming a large green candle, and we earned $107. As you can see, when the trend is descending and the price reaches the upper line, it drops down. The same principle works in the opposite direction, so it's worth paying. Currently, the market is in descending trend and there has been a breakthrough. We consider following the trend in this case. A large green red candle has formed. The Bollinger Bands have been indicating, however, the bid shows low totally. In this case, it's not advisable to enter. Let's see if there are any other pairs available. I don't see a suitable pairs with an 83%. So the price sharply dropped. The support level and the lower Bollinger Band line were breached. Okay, now the price has bounced back up, a very impulsive moment. Meanwhile, on the BB width, we see increased volatility. You can enter an upturn trend here, but in just two cases, the price broke both the lower and upper Bollinger Band lines, indicating market instability. Listen up, the most crucial thing you need for successful trading is to constantly update yourself with news, knowledge, trends, and so on. I understand firsthand how challenging this can be when trading isn't your main job. That's why I've created a Telegram channel for you, because there I gather real-time signals, daily market and stock reviews, effective strategies, and insider tips. It's a real treasure trove for beginner traders, and experienced traders won't miss out on their opportunities now for sure. Follow the link in the description below this video or in the channel's description. Subscribe and develop in the field of trading. The price movement here is very up top. It's pulling the price sharply upwards. That means the moon average. Let's increase our trade amount to $107. Now the price has started to retrace downwards. The Bollinger Bands have turned upwards. Let's enter for an uptrend, but wait for another signal when the price reaches the moving average. Then we'll expect a rebound upwards. The price has dropped to the moving average, so let's for an uptrend. Yes, the price made a swift upward movement and we gained $200. The Bollinger Bands narrowed and there was a sharp upward breakout. And again, the Bollinger Bands had narrowed. Let's check out our another pairs now. Here we see a long descending trend after reversal. There was an upward movement, but overall, the trend is downward. Again, we see the price reaching the upper line and continuing the trend. Then it bounced back down from the bottom. There is indeed a weak support level here, but let's look at some other pairs. There are no new pairs appearing. Let's work with what we have. Not long ago, there was a significant price drop, and at the same time, a sharp volatility essentially means the ability of the price to move steadily in one direction. Let's move to another pair. Here we have a strong upward trend. Once again, we see a significant rise in reality. The price rose intensively and retraced. Afterward, we observe an upward trend reversal pattern. Specifically, the price dropped, reached the lower Bollinger Band and formed a reversal pattern. Let's increase our trade amount to start. Let's place $196, which is the amount we have in our account. Additionally, we see another bounce from the lower line. We can confidently go for an uptrend. There we go! At the last moment, the price jumped up and we earned $560. Let's go back to the CD and CHV. Here is still a decent trend. Volatility is increasing, but I don't see any other signals here. Let's move to another pair. Here the price is moving downward. Luckily, it's very narrow, and if we look wider, we see that it allows. So then the price reached the upper band and went down. At the same time, volatility is quite high and currently rising. Let's increase the trade amount to our price. What do we have now? The price has been rising quite high and the candles are reducing. That means that the price is not being pulled, so let's go for a downtrend. Great, the price indeed moved down strongly and we earned $656. Let me delete the missing currency pair. A sharp decline occurred on the chart. The price stopped at the support level. The market continues to trend downward. There is a new high on the chart, but it's slower than the price previous one. Since it's a decent trend, I assume the next low will be below the previous one. And there is a lot of room of the price to move down for the previous low on the chart. Look at the huge candles appearing on the chart. This tells us about increased risk. The price fell even further. Another huge red candle has formed. The volatility level in the market is currently at the maximum, as we see on the BB width. There is still room for the price to fall. The next support level is much lower. Let's increase our trade amount to our $656. The candle bounced down from the moving average, giving us a signal for downtrend. After that, the price also bounced down from the uptrend. Let's go for downtrend. Great, the price dropped and we earned $1,200. Our account has now crossed 1,000, so let's set the trade amount to 1,000 to the next one. On the chart, we see sharp movements primarily downward, and the BB width shows maximum volatility. Look at the huge red candles and the long shadow here. It's indeed very risky to enter the market now. Let's look for new pairs. Nothing new has appeared. Let's then look at another pair. These sharp moments continue huge candles. Now we have green. Risks are very high. Let's go back to the previous pair. Let's recall. Here we have a long, decent trend. The price moved down, reached a resistance level, and continued downward. On the VP5, we see increased volatility. The price is moving more intensively. If we look more globally, the volatility level has been at the bottom. Therefore, the chance that the price will sharply move in the one direction is high. So everyone on the chart, we see how volatility remains for a long time and the price sharply goes up or down. Beside the resistance level, the price bounced off the super Bollinger Band line and dropped quite sharply. As we remember in downward, the trend is strong signal for decrease, which is already happening. Here are two big red candles. The price started to rise from the lower band, rebounded from the moving average. Bound from the downtrend, moving average is another signal for a price decrease. Let's increase our trade amount, set it to $1,000. The price is risen higher, a good moment to enter. We are going for a decrease. Excellent, the price sharply fell down and we gained $1,830. Very strong downward movement. The previous minimum is broken. The price moves downward with very short bounce. Volatility is currently increasing. We'll keep the price at $1,000 as well. The chart bounced from the downward moving average and broke the super line. We see that the price is strongly pulling down, going for low. Yes, awesome! At the last moment, the price fell and we gained another $1,830. Let's check if there are any new pairs. The USD GPU currently pair is back. Let's set it and switch to it. Here we see very slow and uncertain decrease. Let's switch to another pair. There is a downtrend here, and now there is an uptrend, corrective moment. Let's try to enter on a rebound from the upper band. We'll have the trade amount at $1,000. The price already rebounded from the upper band and resistance level. Going for a decrease then. At the last moment, the price dropped lower and we gained another $1,800. The minimums are increasing very intensively and most likely the price will go now break the resistance line. On the VP width, we see volatility narrowing, which tells us that the price will most likely sharply move in one direction. Here goes the price up. Volatility has sharply expanded. But the price stopped at the super line, from which it often rebound downwards. Let's see if it will break the line. I think it will. But we'll leave the trade amount at $1,000. No, the price rebounded from the line downward. A huge red candle is formed, maximum volatility, great moment to enter, going for low. Got it! The price continued to fall and we gained another $1,800. And in our account there are already $4,500. I think we can increase. The Bollinger Band have narrowed again and the volatility hasn't decreased. and the price is currently pulling down. There is also a rebound from the downward movement, going for a decrease then. Great, the price fell and we get another profit. So we've got more than $5,000 in our account. Today we earned a profit of approximately 15,000%. This is an excellent result where we can stop. Well, if you want to achieve the same results in the trading, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to not miss new videos and learn regularly, and of course, as well as to my Telegram channel to be always updated on new market signals. And of course, if you found this video helpful, leave it a like. And once you try this strategy, don't forget to share your results in the comments under this video. I wish all you successful trades. Goodbye.